So, I'm in Pennsylvania. We got some sleet right now. But a while back, I used to have a 1989 Thunder Chicken Super Coupe. And while I was up here, because I had to bring the gas guzzler anyway, we picked up the IRS and the M5R2 5-speed transmission. So what I'm thinking is, instead of 4-linking that 9-inch, maybe I'll see if I can fit this IRS underneath that F100 and use bags instead of springs. See what happens. So tell me what you think in the comments. Should I 4-link a 9-inch or should I put a Super Coupe IRS in the back of that truck? Alright, good night. I'm going inside where it's not cold.